Hello, my name is Dr. Linda Gorman, and I'm a neuroscientist. You know that's a really big word, but a neuroscientist, that's just a person who knows a lot about the brain. And I'm here today with my friend Axel to help you to learn how you can make your brain healthy. Healthy means feeling good, and it's really easy to have a healthy brain, and anyone can do it. I love talking about brain health because it's spectacular, and spectacular means great. And when your brain is feeling spectacular, you're a happy and healthy person. Now, first you need to know something about your brain, and our friend Denny helped us to learn some brain facts. Then, to spell spectacular, we needed four other friends. First, we needed an S in spectacular, and S means that you keep your brain healthy by being social. And Rain helped us to learn about being social. Being social means you love yourself and you're nice to yourself. It also means you like and you're nice to other people. Then we had PJ. PJ is for the P in spectacular, and that's for physical health. And PJ helped us to learn that being physical means you move your body, you eat, and you sleep. And that makes your brain healthy. Then we had Court, the cat. And Court helps us to understand that keeping the brain healthy is knowing how you feel, knowing about your emotions, which is the E in spectacular. We know that we have different emotions. We can be happy, we can be sad, we can be mad. And we know that understanding about our emotions and understanding how we can control our emotions, that makes our brain healthy. And then finally, we had Fran the fox. And Fran the fox taught us that making our brain healthy, we can do that just by thinking. And not just when we're in school. Thinking, the big word for that is called cognition, and that's the C in spectacular. And thinking is something that we all do inside of our heads because our brain thinks all the time. So let's see how we can make our brain healthy. Today, the title of our story is called A Healthy Brain is Spectacular. Now, with today's story, we have Axel. And as I said before, Axel is an axolotl, which is a cute little salamander. And Axel knows that spectacular, that's a really big word. But you know what? It just means great. And that means that a healthy brain is great. A healthy brain, Axel, it makes you a happy and a healthy person or a happy and healthy salamander. So, with today's story, Axel and I are going to tell you a little bit about how you can help your brain stay healthy. And it's really easy, and anyone can do it. But you first may be thinking, why do I have to keep my brain healthy? What do you think, Axel? Why do you think we have to keep your brain healthy? Well, as someone who knows a lot about the brain, I can tell you that your brain helps you to do everything that you do. Now, think about that, Axel. What are some of the things that you do that your brain helps you with? Well, do you eat, Axel? Yep, Axel eats. How about you? Do you eat? Okay. Do you sleep, Axel? Okay, Axel has to sleep. How about you out there? Do you sleep? Yep, we all have to sleep. How about looking at books or playing soccer or playing with toys? Does anybody do any of those things? Yep, well, your brain helps you to do all of that. So it's important to keep your brain healthy so we can do all the things that we need to do and that we like to do. Okay, so how do we make our brain healthy? Well, if you remember the story that Rain helped us with, we can talk about things that we can do all by yourself. Okay, so we already said that the brain helps us do lots of different things. So, how many of you can eat by yourself? Axel, can you eat by yourself? Rain can eat by rain self. Yep, rain can. How many of you can get dressed by yourself? All right. How many of you can ride a bike by yourself? Okay. When you learn to do something by yourself, especially something that you couldn't do before, that makes you feel good about yourself. Doesn't that make you feel good about yourself, Axel? Rain, how about you? That's right. And you know what? Feeling good about yourself makes your brain healthy. Feeling good about yourself is the S in spectacular, and that stands for social health. Now, one of the things we learned about is that our brain likes to talk to our body, and it can make it move, just like you can move, and Axel can move, and PJ can move. Anytime you move your body, that's making your brain healthy. Okay, so moving our body makes our brains healthy. Now, what kind of moves can you do? I have an idea. Let's make our brain healthy. Axel, PJ, you ready to make your brain healthy? I want everyone to stand up and I want everyone to dance around. Is everybody dancing? I'm dancing. How about you? Axel, PJ, you're dancing. Your body likes to move. And when it does, it makes your brain happy. And remember, when your brain is happy, it's healthy. So moving makes your brain healthy. Moving your body is the P in spectacular. And PJ showed us that the P in spectacular, that stands for physical health. Okay, Axel. Now, your friend Court. What was our friend Court telling us about? Well, when you feel good about something, Court, Axel, when you feel good about something, are you happy or are you sad? That's right. When you feel good about something, it's because you're happy. And we know that being happy makes your brain healthy. Your brain likes it when you're happy. In fact, there's a special part of your brain that makes you feel happy. Now, I want everybody to think. Axel, Court, I want you to think. What are some of the things that make you happy? Okay, I'm going to share something that makes me happy. Look, puppies. Puppies make me happy. Just looking at cute little puppies makes me all happy inside. Axel, Court, you're a cat, but you like puppies. I know you do. Puppies make my brain happy, and puppies make my brain healthy. Okay, now I want you to think. When you feel happy, what does your face do? Axel, Court, when you feel happy, what does your face do? Well, when you're happy, your brain makes you smile. When you're smiling, it's telling other people that you are happy too. If you didn't smile, then others wouldn't know because they wouldn't know how you were feeling. Smiling lets you share how you're feeling with others. Knowing that you can be happy and sad and be able to share it with others, that's the E in spectacular. And Court taught us all about how the E stands for emotional health. Okay, Axel. Now, the last thing you can do to make your brain healthy is to think. Yep, Fran, that's right. You taught us that our brain is thinking all the time and not just when we're in school. Thinking is something that everyone does inside of your head. Okay, let's see. I want everyone to close their eyes. Axel, Fran, close your eyes. All right, I want everyone to think about an elephant. Okay, open your eyes. Did you see something like this? Was the elephant in the room? Was there an elephant in your head? No, of course not. You can think about what an elephant looks like as long as you've seen an elephant before, either a real one or a picture of one. If you've seen an elephant before, your brain knows what it looks like. And when you close your eyes, you can actually see that picture of the elephant inside of your head, even though there wasn't a real elephant inside of your head. So don't worry about it at that, Axel or Fran. There's no elephants inside your head. Fran taught us that the brain likes to think about things, and Axel knows that thinking about things makes the brain healthy. And we all know that when your brain is happy, it's healthy. Remember, the big word that means think is cognition, and that's the C in spectacular, and that stands for cognitive health. So you see, Axel, with a healthy brain, and when you know things about the brain, you can do things by yourself, you can move, you can be happy, you can show others that you're happy, and you can think. You can do anything. Because you have a brain and because you have all these friends, Axel, who help us to learn things about our brain, we can do anything, and that can make our brain healthy. So Axel and all of Axel's friends want to help me to thank you for letting us talk to you about how your brain helps you do everything, and you can keep your brain healthy. I've enjoyed spending time with you talking about the brain, and I hope you've had some fun and learned something about your brain. Remember, you can keep your brain healthy when you do things that you feel good about, when you move, when you feel happy, when you use your brain by thinking. Remember, if your brain is healthy, you can do anything. Helping your brain stay healthy, it's spectacular. So thank you so much for all your help. Brain health, we know, and so does Axel and all of Axel's friends. It's not just spectacular, it's fun too. And as always, Axel and I would like to thank all of the people at Johns Hopkins, especially Dr. Ron Daniels, who have helped us to make this story so that you can understand that keeping your brain healthy, it's easy to do. And if you keep your brain healthy, you can do anything.